Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Janelle and I'm right back with another video tutorial for you guys. So in today's video I'm gonna be sharing with you guys how I made this beautiful simple Ottoman using an old paint bucket I had at home. This Ottoman is very simple and easy to make, and it adds a whole lot of beauty to your space, both outdoor or indoor. So if you're just new to my channel, please be kind enough to click on that big red subscribe button to join this family, guys. Please do not forget to hit on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you like it, share it with all your family and friends, and let's get to the video. So the things you're going to be needing are obviously your fabric of choice, foam, and of course the paint bucket that we're going to be transforming to an Ottoman. And please guys, do not be like me, what do they call it, alaro or stingy person like me, that I had to reuse this old foam. I used it for a project some time ago, and I didn't like the project again. I had to reuse the foam. Don't be like me. That's why my Ottoman did not turn out so fine the way I wanted it to be. I'm going to explain in a while, but just try your best to get a 2-inch foam. That's going to work best for you and give you the best result. So all I'm just doing is attaching the foam on top of the cover, on top of the paint bucket, and then I'm just cutting it to be exactly the round shape of the paint bucket. If you're using a straight 2-inch foam, you don't need to add all these layers. Like, you can just add 2 layers of 2-inch foam and it will give you exactly what you want. But because I was being stingy and trying to save cost, and especially I didn't really have money to go buy another foam, and I wanted to do this project for you guys, I decided to make use of this old foam. So all you have to do is attach the foam on the cover, then you sit on it, or if you like the feel if you like the feel in your bum bum, like it's not paining you, you can add more foam or reduce, or however way you want to do. Just make sure that the thickness is to your desired thickness. So that's what I'm doing, going ahead to add lots of foam until it's okay for me. And then I would now equally wrap the foam all around the bucket, like almost all around the bucket, just like you see me do. So guys, like I said, this is this plain straight 2-inch foam. If I had used this, it would give me a uniform look. But because I'm using all this patch, my work did not come out the way I wanted it. And I did not know at this point when I was doing it, was after I had finished the work that I realized, Jane, you should have just gone straight to use a straight foam. So I'm measuring 3.5 inch down. That's where I'm going to stop applying the foam. And I'm going ahead to apply the foam all around from the head to where I marked the 3.5 inches. I'm not going to be adding foam there because I'm going to be adding the gold mirror card over it. And then I went ahead and measured the circle of the bucket and the sides. So I'm going to take it to my sewing machine and sew it all round, and then I'll get back to you. And yes, I'm done sewing, and my friend came over to help. So she's trying to push in the Ottoman cover into the bucket. So she's trying her best to push it in as the way she can, so that's all you're gonna do. After sewing it, you try to push it in, and make sure not to sew it so big. Sew it the way we sewed it. You see how everything fits so perfectly, like it's tight and it stays very, very perfectly. So that's how you're going to sew it. So after you're done pushing it, like I said, if I had used a uniformed foam, maybe you are seeing how the roundness is not really so uniform like that. It's because of the foam we used. But if you use a plain uniform foam, it will give you a perfect round shape. All I'm just trying to do right now, you know, is use my staple gun to staple it all around the ends of where we are stopping. So I'm going to do that and staple it all around, and then I'll get back to you. And I was done stapling it, and as you can see, that's how it looks. Now I'm going to take my gold mirror card and apply my gum and attach it at the ends of the bucket. And we're almost done with our Ottoman. Oh my god, I'm loving it already. Just that I do not like the shape, like I said. Like, because of the foam we used, the shape just turned out ugly, but it's still beautiful anyway. If I did not say anything about using a plain smooth foam, you wouldn't actually tell that it's ugly. But I'm going to be inserting a picture of how it's supposed to look. A picture I saw on Instagram. That's what inspired me to make this video, guys. I saw this in an Instagram post on someone's page, and I loved the Ottoman, and I was like, I could use a bucket, because I had this paint bucket laying around doing nothing at home. So that's what I'm doing, you know, attaching my gold mirror card around it, and I'm going to go ahead and do that all around the bucket. And when I'm done, all I have to do is either cut off the excess at the bottom part or staple it down. Whichever way is fine. So just because I do not want to cut off the excess, I just don't want to cut it off. I'm just trying to, you know, fold it inward. Either use my hot glue gun or my staple gun and staple it down. It's still beautiful, guys. Like, it still turned out beautiful. What do you think? Even though it's looking a bit shapeless. But this is my first attempt. I'm definitely going to do another video tutorial showing you how it's supposed to look like, making use of the right foam. I'll do that. So I'm supposed to keep this in my parlor. I don't know, if I don't like it, I'll just take it to my room. So, but if it's not so bad, I'll still keep it in my parlor. Oh my god. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? This turned out super beautiful. I like it. What do you think, guys? Did the shape come out very well? Like, am I just being the perfectionist that I just want everything to be perfect? What do you guys think? Did the shape come out very well? I think it did not come out very well. That's why I'm going to do another video on this using a plain uniformed foam instead of a scattered foam. Thank you so much for watching. See you all in my next video. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not. Bye.